Hi, Adam here, the owner of Intique Motors. Going to do a video presentation of this 96 Ford Bronco, Eddie Bauer 4x4. This is a 22,000 original mile Arizona Bronco, beautifully finished in Oxford white over a Mocha leather bucket seat interior, 5.8 liter V8 motor, 355 limited slip rear end, got the tow package, fully loaded. Check out the Marti Report to see all the options this truck came with. So we're going to do a driving video. I'm going to drive down the street a little bit so you guys get a feel of the car, the truck as it looks from the road, and then we're going to jump in and go for a little driving video and show you how it performs. Hop on in, let's go for a ride. This is 22,667 original miles on it, and I've checked out this whole interior. I have not found a flaw on it other than just normal, seat how the leather is in these seats when you sit on them from this era of Ford leather. But beautiful dash, beautiful steering wheel. All the buttons still have their clear, visible markings on them. The dash, or the odometer and gauge cluster is just perfect. Very bright at nighttime when all the lights are lit up. There's no cracking in the faux wood. Carpet's beautiful. Dare I say it, it still smells new in here. This was a one-owner truck up until earlier this year, 2022. It was purchased new by a gentleman out of New Jersey who used it at his vacation home in Scottsdale. He kept it in the garage there when he was in town. This was his transportation. Earlier this year, a dealer in Grand Rapids acquired it, and a lawyer here in town from West Bloomfield, Michigan, I'll hold up the window so you can hear us. A lawyer from West Bloomfield, Michigan acquired it, and in looking at a potential trade-in vehicle with something I had in inventory, I went and checked out the truck, and I ended up just buying it outright from him. It was too good to pass up. Got the original window sticker, the original sales brochure that was hanging in the mirror at the dealership. So It sat at Lou Grubb Ford for a little while, and they discounted it in era, and there was some Ford rebates they offered, so all that documentation is included in the paperwork. While we rolled up the windows a few minutes ago, I want to show you how fast these work. I mean, that's incredible. I don't think they were that good new. Passenger one the same. And also, if we take a look in the back, we'll do the rear window. No issues, everything works. Radio's working. Little Billy Squire for you. AC works great. She's cold. We had a nice 75-degree day here in Michigan. Beautiful, cloudless day. And the drivability of this truck's excellent. Brakes work no problem. There's no funkiness with the steering. This one even has the indicators built into the mirrors, which is a factory option. So being an Eddie Bauer, they're pretty loaded up, but you could further option it, which this truck I believe was $32,300 ballpark, brand new, and looks great in Oxford white over mocha. Great color combo. According to the Marti Report, 1,306 of them were in this color combo for 96. So it's not ultra rare, but you'd be hard pressed to, I guess, see another white over mocha Eddie Bauer out there, especially in this condition. It's got brand new tires on it, 2022 date codes. Had a fresh service. So it's literally turnkey, ready for you to take out cruising around. So this will be coming to Bring a Trailer. Just submitted it today. We got a healthy but really realistic reserve. These trucks have been bringing strong money these days, and I'm running a roughly 90% sale rate on Bring a Trailer, so I do submit vehicles there to sell. So when it comes live, get to bidding. Bid often, because chances are it's going to sell in auction. But if you have any questions, you can always give me a call, 734-956-0041. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. Good luck bidding.